you are dressed.
Hi, Julia's vlog.
Today we are doing kind of a little go to school with me situation because it's Monday, and show you what study abroad school is like. I don't necessarily know how this compares to a study abroad program that you sign up for independently, because our program is specific to the College of Charleston, so we have the same people that we would have in class at school. So we are gonna walk to class. It's like a 15-minute walk, maybe 10. So let's go to school. Boo. The not fun part of study abroad. The studying part.
I'm wearing this leather jacket from Zara. This little sweater thing, I think is from Express. My yoga pants are from, I think, Victoria's Secret. And my sneakers are APL.
I am wearing this Brandy Melville cable knit sweater. I got it yesterday at Brandy Melville. Under it I have also my Brandy Melville t-shirt that I bought yesterday. These pants that I have from H&M. And then a platform Converse. Hey guys, so on my no, but we're actually.
Steady hand, steady hand, steady hand.
You're doing really well.
Thank you.
Nice vlog time.
Okay.
That's our favorite cafe right now. It's very Americanized.
Great cups.
Great cups. Ciao.
Wait, this is our favorite mirror.
Hey, Kimmy.
Hi.
Hey, guys.
Hi. You should say something. I did that. You should say something. It's like, oh, it's an hour in this room. Spiraling. Same with me.
I actually bought chicken with spinach.
Okay.
Spinach
He's my
chicken.
opponent. Vlog, we're going to a trivia tonight and I'm playing
Chicken spinach.
Jeopardy.
play.
Jeopardy.
We're off to a great start.
I don't know about opera.
Maybe you have
Wait.
to know about opera.
Wait! So I'm doing my first solo trip today to go to Rome on my own. So I'm gonna take you guys, of course, and I'm gonna meet up with a high school friend, and everything will be totally good.
This rainy day is temporary. The contrast is why we got 'em. The sun shining through is just a cloud away, way.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm cold
Yeah.
and hungry, but good.
Good. Good.
We could change. We've all, of course, been there before. Been there crying, fighting the dark. Let good energy be your strong moving away. This rainy day is temporary.
Okay. Back at the train station, and we just finished our big day. Legitimately, we had like 3 hours to do stuff. So I'm just sitting in a little alcove at the train station. Little world. Oh, my phone's on 4%, by the way. So, doing well. But today was so fun with Lainey. She showed me around everywhere.
Contrast is why the sun shining.